The winner in the iconic Sharjah cricket stadium. History has been made. The fact that the this is close. He's asking it and he's been given out. Ala Muhammad Ghazanfar takes the third one.
Stunning, amazing, brilliant from Allah Muhammad. Joy for Afghan supporters here at the Sharjah cricket stadium. He's gone for the review.
You're on screen signal now.
He's out. Kyle out for 10, 36 for 6.
Mulja with the best of 69.
Beautifully bowled, magnificent delivery. Run out. Well. Dramatic scenes here at the Sharjah cricket stadium. Celebrating the Afghans.
Well, they're asking the question from the umpire. Filokwayo will not be looking happy.
That in Tobago.
Yes, you can't ask that question. He attempted the run. And there's an appeal for a catch. They're asking. Rashid Khan is asked for the review. Gurbaz looks very confident.
TV umpire director, we have.
Excellent decision from the umpire.
That could be another boundary, and it will be. Just gets it behind square on the offside, and the good thing about that one, Fontaine waited as late as possible and played it under the R's, managing to get it away. So a bonus boundary for South Africa. It's few and far between so far.
Yeah, it's one of the
target the stumps.
One.
It's nicely played by Mulder. It might get away to the fence, and it does. The man is situated very much behind.
Catch it! Oh!
Evening, Brian. That's a lovely shot. Breaking the shackles. Liam Mulder, who was watchful. He was 4 from 22, and he said, enough is enough. Clubs on over leg side. Clubbed. That's going to be 4. All of a sudden, say it quietly, but South Africa are getting a partnership together.
Yes, a bad ball, and it was punished.
Knows it because the ball is keeping low. Mind you, it's not. Oh, he's bowled in. This time around, he doesn't miss it, and he breaks that threatening partnership of 39 runs. Yes, Fortin knows it. He's not been able to read that.
Remarkable bowling from Rashid Khan. He's taken so many wickets here at the Sharjah Cricket Stadium. Knows the conditions, playing with the mind of the better as well. The amount of experience that he possesses playing in various leagues. The amount of work that he's done for Afghanistan. Remarkable all the time. Going right to the crease. Beautifully bowled. Lovely googly to claim another wicket. Falling apart. Rashid takes the wicket. And for 10 goes for 16. 75 for 8.
Nandri Berger is down to bat at number 10, but I think poor application from Yon 4-10. It was second time that Rashid Khan bowled the googly, and this time in the channel. Away his wicket, putting together that.
Yeah, talk about bringing those boundary riders up. There's absolutely no need to have one back because it's gone the distance. First 6 of the day. What a beautiful hit as well. Well, this is why he wants strike, Vern. Low on the bat, but goes a long way. Watch them play in Leicestershire the last couple of seasons. Mulder, really good all-rounder. Knocking around this South African side for a good 5 at the ball. Inside his island, there's a sweep around the corner. And he's going to pick up a boundary easy. Yes, indeed. Ramachat chasing in vain.
Run more.
And I guess that will the William Mulder's riposte to ourselves and anyone watching thinking he should be taking singles. Previous over, dunked one down the ground for 6 and
brilliant shot. Yeah, he's been waiting for that length and he's rocked onto the back foot and crispers down the leg side full boundary.
Well, this is a good boundary. Really good pickup, picking length quickly. Back and across. Swivel pull, really, that he possesses.